Dear people, welcome to another Life Hacks video. In this video, we feature food hacks and a variety of other modern life hacks for your pleasure. I will be with you throughout the video, so stay with me. I know you will enjoy watching all these hacks. I love these food hacks, like this one. We're going to separate the egg into two separate glasses. We're going to add the food coloring that we made. Stir. Then we're going to add juice from half the lemon in one of the glasses. And we're going to make purple. Pour into a hot skillet. Cook the egg mixture. Add 2 yolks on the top. Keep cooking. Those are our eyes for our omelet. Enjoy! I love explaining these life hacks just so you better understanding of what's happening. When I watch life hacks videos, I like to know what they're making ahead of time. So we're going to take a toothpick and a string and make a diagonal pattern around the boiled egg. And we have a star for our boiled eggs for our party. So sit back and enjoy these egg videos. You don't need to worry. These are clever egg hacks and are very appetizing. This is dropping an egg into boiling water. Cook just for a few minutes. And we have a beautiful poached egg. We're going to warm a plate in the microwave for our next hack for 1 minute. We're going to butter the plate. We're going to break open our egg and open up the egg yolk so that it doesn't explode. with a whole egg. It's going to make a batter, and we're going to make some beautiful pancakes. Next, we're going to boil some eggshells to kill the bacteria. We're also going to roast them, put in a blender, crush, and we have some really fine eggshells that are calcium that we can consume. Make sure you cook the eggshells first. Do you like cheese, hot dogs, and onions? We're going to break open the eggs, separate, add our ingredients, and I loved grilled sandwiches, grilled bread, in either oil or butter. We're going to make an easy omelet here. Omelet sandwich. These are fun ideas that you can throw together at a moment's notice. Here we go. These are hot dog flowers. Edible. Let's see, we're going to need sandwiches for the party. We're going to put everything into a baggie. Crush, squeeze. And how about some easy egg salad with mayonnaise and seasoning. Yum! I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Feel free to share, subscribe, and like. Slime, oddly satisfying video. Bye for now.